That huge exam is a week away and the panic is setting in. But what if I told you there's a proven, day-by-day plan to get you from panicked to prepared? This isn't magic. It's a 7-day strategy using science-backed techniques to help you study smarter, not harder. Let's start the clock. First things first, this is a realistic plan. The biggest mistake is cramming, which is stressful and ineffective. We're not doing that. We're breaking this down into manageable steps. The key isn't what you study, it's how you study. Day 1 is for planning, not studying. Gather all your materials and list every topic from the syllabus. Prioritize them. A for the hardest, B for the ones you're okay on, and C for the easiest. Now, schedule focused study blocks for the next 6 days. A clear plan eliminates all the guesswork. Today we use active recall. Read a section of your notes, then close them. On a blank page, write down everything you can remember. This is the blurting method. Afterward, use a different colored pen to fill in the gaps. This instantly shows you exactly where your knowledge is weak. Day 3, we tackle the textbook. As you read, turn chapter headings into questions. After reading a section, close the book and try to answer those questions from memory. This forces you to engage deeply with the material instead of just passively scanning the pages. We're at the halfway point. Day 4 is all about practice problems and past exam questions. Focus on your A-list topics first. Struggling to find the solution is what builds strong memory. It's not about just getting the right answer, but understanding why it's right. On day 5, we fix your weak spots using the Feynman technique. Pick a concept you're struggling with and explain it out loud in the simplest terms possible. If you hesitate or get confused, you found exactly what you need to review. True understanding is being able to explain it simply. Day 6 is the final dress rehearsal. First, create a 1-page master summary sheet, writing down key formulas and concepts entirely from memory. Then take a full timed practice exam. This is critical for building confidence and getting you comfortable with the pressure of the clock before the real thing. Day 7 is for rest. Do not study. A top athlete rests before the big race. Do a quick final review of your summary sheet in the morning, then put it away for the day. Relax, get your exam materials ready, and most importantly, get a full night of sleep. And that's your 7-day game plan. You've put in the smart, focused work, and you are ready. Walk into that exam room tomorrow, take a deep breath, and trust your preparation. You've got this. Thanks for watching. What exam are you prepping for? Let me know in the comments below. And if this helped, make sure to subscribe for more tips. Good luck, and go crush that test.